Mayor Tumang, do you personally know Willie Ong?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Do you personally know ADT Yang?
Hindi po, Your Honor. Your Honor, hindi ko po personally kakilala si Willie Ong and Eddie Yang. Pumunta po sa munisipyo, doon ko lang po sila nakilala dahil nag-inquire na bibili po silang lupa.
Mayor Tumang, you're lying.
Hindi po, Your
Sandali
Honor.
po. I move to cite in contempt. Mayor Tumang.
Your Honor, can I explain po para makuha niyo po yung point ko?
Sandali po.
Please po, Your Honor.
Sandali po. You're not yet recognized. Mr. Chairman, once again, I move to cite in contempt Mayor Tumang in violation of our Section 11, Paragraph B.
Your Honor, can you please give me a chance to explain? Hindi po kasi ano yung exact gusto niyong
Mr. Chairman,
Dito sa harap ng mga resource persons. Di ba he's lying?
Hindi po ako nagsisinungaling, Your Honor.
Nandito nakikinig ng mga resource person.
Hindi po ako
I
nagsisinungaling.
challenge resource persons present in today's hearing.
And this was duly seconded.
Hindi po
Are
ako
there-
nagsisinungaling, Your Honor.
Are there any objections?
Point of order.
The motion is approved. Former Mayor Tumang is now cited in contempt.
Mayor Tumang, please.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Mayor Tumang, when was your first assumption of office as Mayor of Mexico, Pampanga?
2004 po, Your Honor.
2004. As far as you can recall, Mayor Tumang, kailan po ba nag-umpisang mag-acquire ng property si Empire 999?
Hindi ko po maibigay, hindi ko po alam yung exact year, but approximately po 2000, yung nakabalik po akong mayor, 2017.
2017. Mayor Tumang, do you personally know Willie Ong?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Do you personally know ADT Yang?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
But
Mr. Chairman,
would
with the indulgence of the Honorable Luis Ro.
Yeah, okay, please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mayor Tumang,
Yes po, Your Honor.
for the information of everyone, ito kasi pong question of the drugs and the acquisition of properties ng mga foreign national form part of my reso doon sa public accounts. Kasi public accounts na lang pinagsimulan nito eh. Na it was forwarded to this Quadcom. But the issue about some properties, transactions of Mayor Tumang, in which, ilang beses ka naman na-dismiss, Mayor? Ilang beses ka na na-dismiss? Yung dismissal order mo? Ilan?
Once lang po, Your Honor.
Once ka lang na-dismiss?
Yes po,
alam ko
Your-
dalawa. Are you telling the truth? Mayor Tumang, ganito lang po, I just want to warn you. You're under oath once again in this Quadcom hearing and you're being asked by Congresswoman Luis Ro. Please, don't lie.
Your Honor, yung pong yung previous po, na-reverse po yun.
And then,
Yung
okay.
2022. And then po, 2023, last August po, yun po yung last ko pong dismissal.
Under appeal.
Yes po, pending appeal po.
Pending appeal. Now, Mayora, ganito lang po, you're being asked if kilala mo si Eddie Yang, kilala mo si Tuma, kilala mo si Willie Ong. I just want to tell you, we have already discussed it in the Committee on Public Accounts. And please, answer the query of the members of this committee truthfully, or else I will show you the proof.
Yes po, Your
And
Honor.
if you're lying, I will cite you in contempt once again, Mayor Tumang. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Mayor Tumang, Ulitin ko po yung tanong. Do you personally know Willie Ong?
Your Honor, hindi ko po personally kakilala si Willie Ong and Eddie Yang. Pumunta po sa munisipyo, doon ko lang po sila nakilala dahil nag-inquire na bibili po silang lupa.
With your statement, Mayor Tumang, it appears that you personally know Willie Ong and ADT Yang. Because when you said they came to your office, approached you, and told you that they are going to buy lands,
doon ko
then
lang
it
po-
means that you were able to personally meet
Yes po.
with these two individuals. Tama po ba?
Yes po, namit ko po sila sa munisipyo.
In other
po.
words, you personally know Willie Ong and ADT Yang. Are you aware that
Chairman, once again, Mr. Chair, this will be the last. Mayor Tumang, you're lying.
Hindi po, Your
Sandali
Honor.
po. Let me finish. Please don't answer. Don't talk unless you are recognized by the chairman. Mayor Tumang, sinabi mo hindi mo kilala personally si Willie Ong at saka si Eddie Yang. Si Eddie Yang, hindi mo kilala?
Nakilala ko po, Your Honor, nung pumunta po sa munisipyo, nagpakilala po sila, Your Honor.
Sandali, yung sa munisipyo lang ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Yun lang. Oh, now, eto Mayor Tumang, nagsisinungaling ka. Di ba naimbitahan kayo doon sa China?
Yes po,
At
Your Honor.
kasama niyo si Eddie Yang?
Yes po, Your
Oh,
Honor.
now you're telling me that sa munisipyo lang?
Nung
Don't lie. You're lying.
Hindi.
Anong hindi? May mga picture kayo abroad. You were invited and you represent Mexico, Pampanga in that travel with Eddie Yang. And it's Eddie Yang that introduced all of you, and that includes the former governor and the governor to the ambassador.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Oh, ngayon, di mo kilala? Mr. Chairman,
Hindi ko lang po.
with that, Mr. Chairman, I have warned you, pasensyahan po tayo. I move to cite in contempt, Mayor Tumang.
Your Honor, can I explain po para makuha niyo po yung point ko?
Sandali po.
Please po, Your Honor.
Sandali po, you're not yet recognized. Mr. Chairman, once again, I move to cite in contempt Mayor Tumang in violation of our Section 11, Paragraph B. Refusal and evading to answer questions of the members of this committee. So move, Mr. Chairman.
Your Honor, can you please give me a chance to explain? Hindi po kasi ano yung exact gusto niyong
Mr. Chairman, the question is very simple.
Just a 1-minute suspension.
Mayor, try mo mag-explain. Kasi syempre yung personal, hindi naman yung personal na
Hindi ko naman kakilala talaga. Nakilala ko lang sa munisipyo.
Opo, emphasize mo na yung meeting sa China after
Yes.
nagpunta sila sa munisipyo.
Hearing is resumed. The parliamentary status is that before the chair declared the suspension, there was a motion to cite in contempt former Mayor Tumang. And let me finish first. And the former mayor has asked the committee to listen to his explanation. And in the spirit of fairness, we'd like to hear former mayor explain also his side. Perhaps he may be able to answer the queries asked by the members of the committee. So, Mayor Tumang, para po maliwanag, ang tanong po sa inyo kung kakilala nyo po si Eddie Yang. Ang sabi nyo po kanina, hindi. Yung pangalawang tanong, tinanong po kayo, ilang beses po ba kayo nagkita, nagkasama, nagkausap ni Mr. Ediang? Ang sinabi nyo, isang beses lamang po sa munisipyo. Pero meron pong impormasyon na nagsasabi na magkasama pa ho kayo sa China.
Pictures.
At this is supported by photos. So, bibigyan po namin kayo ng pagkakataon na sumagot dun sa katanungan ng aming mga kasamahan. Para naman po, hindi naman po kayo hindi mapagbigyan. No? Ano po ang inyong sagot sa katanungan ni Congressman Paduano at ni Congresswoman Luistro?
Thank you po, Your Honor. Hindi ko na lang po sinabing once ko lang po nakita namit si Willie Ong. Si Willie Ong po twice sa munisipyo po. Si Ediang po, so many times. Pero yung first namit ko po si Willie Ong and Ediang sa munisipyo po. And then, pagkatapos po noon, marami na pong series na nagkita na po kami ni Ediang dahil bumili po sila ng lupa. Hanggang pumunta po kami ng China, in-invite po kami doon. Doon po lang po nakilala si Ediang. Ang pinupunto ko po, hindi ko po personal nakakilala po. Namit ko lang po sila sa munisipyo. Pero so many times po nakilala ko na sina Ediang. Pero si Willie Ong po, twice lang po.
Chairman,
Yes, Congressman Paduano.
ito kasi yung problema. Alam ko na, sinabi ko na kanina, Mayor, pinagdaanan na to natin Dalawang committee, dangerous drugs at saka yung Mexico. But sabi ko nga, kaya kayo inibitahan dito, including your brother and all those research person from Mexico, Pampanga, because there is a resolution by me na yung drugs, yung drugs at saka illegal acquisition of properties of Chinese national will be forwarded to this committee. Kaya hindi ka Mayor, ganito kasing style mo Pag tinanong ka ng isa, sabihin mo, sinabi ko kanina, hindi mo personal kilala. Sabi mo sa munisipyo, now when I ask you, yung China travel, inamin mo. Now, dinagdagan mo ngayon na several times because on record, during the committee hearing, you know personally Tayang and Willie Ong, mamaya papakita ko sa iyo na magkakilala kayo ni Willie Ong.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Ang style mo kasi, Mayor Tomang, sorry, pero ang style mo, bulok. Alam ko na yon. Pag tinanong ko isang tanong, sasagutin mo. Pag tinanong ko isa, sasagutin mo. Better you were asked if you knew personally Willie Ong and Eddie Tayang. That's why pinakontempt kita. Because you lied. Dito sa harap ng mga resource persons. Di ba he's lying? Sabi niya kanina, hindi niya kilala personal. Sa munisipyo lang. Ngayon, sinabi mo na ngayon, kilala mo si Eddie Yang, you met several times. Twice lang kayo ni Willie Ong. But I will establish to you that you have transactions with Willie Ong. And you will not make transactions with a certain person, especially kung hindi mo siya kilala. And you're lying. Di pa tayo umabot doon sa proof ko. Kaya, Mr. Chairman, sabi ko nga, naglulukuhan pa tayo dito. Alam mo na, kabisado na namin to. Nako, Mayor.
Bigyan natin ng
With that, Mr. Chairman, my motion to cite in contempt, I've already cited the violation. Unless there will be a second or members of this committee will vote in the negative.
Hindi po ako nagsisinungaling, Your Honor.
Nandito, nakikinig ng mga resource person.
Hindi po ako
I
nagsisinungaling.
challenge resource persons present in today's hearing kung totoo ba na nagsinungaling siya o hindi. Alam ko na kasi, Mayor, yung sasagot mo. Ilang beses na po tayo nagkita
Ang mga-
sa mga hearings. Kaya nga na-contempt ka rin nung nakaraan, di ba?
Yung mga sagot ko po, pare-pares lang po, Your Honor.
Anong parehas? You're lying to your teeth.
Hindi po ako nagsisinungaling, Your Honor.
Mr. Chairman, anyway, sabi niya, it still stand, hindi siya nagsisinungaling. Once again, Mr. Chairman, I just like to manifest once again that my motion to cite in contempt Mayor Tumang still stands. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Mr.
Okay,
Chairman, I second.
Yeah, there is a motion to cite in contempt Mayor Tumang. And this was duly seconded.
Hindi po
Are
ako
there-
nagsisinungaling, Your Honor.
Are there any objections?
Point of order. Point of order.
So I will reiterate the motion. There was a motion to cite in contempt former Mayor Tumang for violating Section 11, Paragraph C of the Rules of Procedure governing inquiries in aid of legislation. And this was duly seconded by Congressman Akop. Are there any objections? Hearing none, the motion is approved. Former Mayor Tumang is now cited in contempt. And we'd like to ask the Sergeant at Arms to please assist and escort former Mayor Tumang